Hey y'all, greetings from Vernon, Texas at the hometown car wash. Cool thing about this place is they have a whole brand new car wash with a brand new machine I haven't filmed yet, so I think it's time to document one of these. Looks pretty cool. Okay, well I can insert quarters, although it looks like it's gonna take a while. Okie dokie. So this is a hydro spray Barracuda. Why is my video only going in 30 frames? Hold on. Okay, that's better. So with this machine, I don't think it's the same hydro spray as the Rainmaker machines. I'd be very surprised if it actually was the same company, because I didn't think they'd still be around after all this time. So there are your wash options: 10, a 13, and a 15. Well, these are all the quarters I have, so I think I'll be good for a while. It's $30 in quarters, so yeah, it'll take me a little while. Okay. The dryers are gonna start up. I think. The Premier dryers that don't sound that great. So, just an FYI, I'm on my last trip home from Texas. My car is filled like all the way, so I apologize. These videos will not be that great, but at least I have my rear camera going. Yeah. So just give me a couple minutes to do this. I think I put too many quarters in the thing, because now I won't accept any more. Crap. Oh, I don't like this. I have plenty of ones, but then, okay, I do have a 10. I think I filled the quarters thing all the way up, if I had to guess. Ah, $14.75. And then I can't put in another quarter. I'll just put in a 1. We'll get a few quarters back at least.
Thank you.
Okay. Alright. Well, it worked at least. Jeez, that's loud. Go this way a little bit. I originally planned to film this thing like a little over a year ago. Gonna have to rely on entirely my back camera for this. wondering why it was taking so long for a second. You know, I feel like this machine is what the Condor should have been. Always that one nozzle that doesn't spin, actually, that make two that don't spin. It makes the most annoying ear-piercing noise ever. Still looks like a pretty powerful car wash. Oh, I see it has one of those angled sprayers to get the mirrors. Not a bad idea. Alright. Yep, that's it. Maybe we'll get a really good dryer startup capture. I just swipe some of the water in my car. I like the outdoor dryers. I'm getting water blown inside of here. See, a minute, a little over a minute. Not bad. I'm a little wet, but that's okay. It's clean water at least. Premiere's very hit and miss. These are definitely more of a hit side. They're doing pretty okay. Others just are really crap. These are pretty decent. pretty solid car wash, except for me. I think I filled up the quarter slot. It definitely wasn't broken though. A little funny if anything. Well, thank you all for watching. If you all enjoyed, that'll be it.